Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Rukhsana Iqbal from Peshawar Model School, Nowshera campus. Dear students, as we are discussing our SVT, so today is my lecture number 3 for the month of May, SVT for the month of May, grade 6. In previous two lectures, we discussed question number 1 and 2, and now today we will discuss question number 3. So question number 3 is arrange these body parts in order of their size and level of organizations in the body. You can see here question number 3 is arrange these body parts in order of their size and level of organization in body. A, B, C, D. Organ, tissue, cell and organ system. These are different body parts. You will write in sequence at which one is the smallest according to the order, which one is the smallest in size, then in sequence. So the cell is the smallest or the basic unit of all living organisms, from which all living organisms are made. Then cells combine together, group together to form tissues. Then tissues of same or different types combine together to form organs, and organs combine together to form organ systems. So in sequence you will write cell, then tissue, then organ system. Next question is question number 4. The diagram show a typical cell from the leaf of a plant. Match each name from this list to the correct letter on the diagram. Here a diagram is given in your SVT and some labeling: nucleus, vacuole, cell wall, chloroplast and cytoplasm. Now you will label the diagram, each part. This diagram is on page 3. Take out your page 3. On page 3 there is a plant cell. In plant cell you will label, here is a plant cell. You will label where is chloroplast, nucleus. This is a nucleus. This one, look at here, it is a nucleus. This part it is cytoplasm. This part it is chloroplast, vacuole and cellulose cell wall. So you will label these parts: nucleus, vacuole, cell wall, chloroplast and cytoplasm. These 5 labeling, you will draw this diagram and then you will label these parts. Now second question from the same diagram. Here you can see it was part 1, now it is part 2. Name 2 of the label parts that are also present in animal cell. This is a plant cell, and when you label these parts, then you will find out that what are the 2 parts which are also present in animal cells. So in animal cells, on the same page, animal cell nucleus is present, cytoplasm is present and vacuoles are present. So these are the 3 parts which are also present in animal cells. So the answer of this question, that name 2 of the label parts that are also present in animal cell, you can write nucleus, vacuole and cytoplasm. Then question number 3 in your SVT part 3. Question number 4 part 3. Explain the difference between tissue and an organ. This is part 3 of question number 4. Explain the difference between tissue and an organ. So what are tissues? When the cell of the same type group together to perform some specific function is called tissue. Examples of tissues are epidermal tissues, nerves tissues, and muscle tissue. You can find the answer on page number 5. Here it is. Cells of the same type usually group together to form tissue. A living tissue is made from a group of similar cells which all work together to do a particular job. And here are the examples of tissue: epidermal tissues, photosynthetic tissues, supporting tissues, epithelial tissues, muscle tissues, and nerve tissues. Then second part of this question is organ. An organ is made from a group of different tissue which all work together to do a particular job. And examples of organ are heart, stomach, lung, hand, tongue, eyes. These all are organs. Here on page 6. On page 6, organ. Cells and tissues are organized into larger body parts called organs. An organ is made from a group of different tissue which all work together to do a particular job. The heart, lung, stomach, intestine, brain, and eye are examples of organ in animals. In flowering plants, the roots, stems, and leaves are organs, so all also are the parts of the flowers. So you will write the answer in your SVT copy. So this was question number 4. Question number 4 has 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Number 1 is you will just label the diagram. In number 2 you will find out the parts of this label diagram which are also a parts of animal cells. And number 3 you will write the difference between tissue and an organ. Okay students, that's enough for today. Inshallah, in our next lecture we'll discuss question number 5. Now till then, Allah Hafiz.